PTV, Telebisyon ng Bayan.
Championship lightweight king Edward Folayang is determined to keep the title in his upcoming fight this April. We'll have the full story from Arian Malyare.
One championship lightweight champion Edward Landslide Folayang is already preparing for his title defense this April. In an exclusive interview with PTV Sports, the former Sanda athlete and three-time SEA Games gold medalist admits that he needs to keenly focus on improving his stamina in his fight in Baguio City against a yet-to-be-named opponent.
Gusto kong mai-defend yung belt ng matagal na panahon. Idinadagdag ko pa yung yung endurance training kasi yung fight is 5 minutes, 5 rounds. So the more na tumatagal ako, the more na mas maganda.
Withholding his 17 wins against 5 losses in his professional fight, Folayang had his last fight in the octagon cage last November against Shinya Aoki of Japan, wherein Folayang knocked out Aoki in a landslide in the 3rd round via technical knockout. With this, Folayang is confident that he has a big chance in excelling in his sport.
Advantage natin ng mga Pilipino sa MMA, yung heart natin. We don't easily give up. May persistence tayo na ano man yung mangyayari, lumalaban pa rin tayo.
This month, One Championship organizers are set to name his opponent in the upcoming April 21 card to be held at the MOA Arena in Pasay City. For PTV News, Arian Malyare.